Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make TikTok video play in reverse. Just follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. Open TikTok app on your mobile and log into your TikTok profile. Search for the video which you would like to play in reverse and download it to your mobile phone. After that, go to ezgif.com website. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap on Video Reverser option. Now just tap on Choose File and select your recently downloaded TikTok video. Click on Upload Video. Now select Reverse Video. Below you'll find your edited video. Click on Save icon and this video will start downloading to your phone. Done. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to make TikTok video play in reverse. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.